Hi, first grade friends. We are ready for worksheet 128. We just learned our first prefix. You should be so proud of yourself. We are going to do some review with our spelling sounds, but we are going to do like early lessons. So all of these just have one sound, one letter. So we should be able to go through these 10 really quickly because you are phonics pros. Go ahead and get ready. Make sure that you echo the sound with me, and then we'll write the letter as neatly as possible on the line. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Awesome job. Number one, W. W. W says W. Number two, B. B. B says B. Number three, M. M. M says M. Number four, Eh. Eh. E says Eh. Number five, R. R. R says R. Number six, F says F. Number seven, Ah. Ah. O says Ah. Number eight, N. N. N says N. Number nine, Y. Y. Y says Y. And number 10, I. I. I says I. Let's practice spelling some words now. You did an awesome job with that. Number 11, let's spell the word wall. Wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. And a word that rhymes with wall. For number 12, let's write the word small. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Today we talked about prefix UN. So we're going to practice spelling some words with the prefix, okay? Number 13 is going to be unlock. Unlock. So prefix UN, and then the root word lock. L-O-C-K. Unlock. Make sure that you don't leave any spaces, okay? Your prefix becomes part of the word. Number 14, let's spell the word unsafe. Unsafe. U-N, and then safe. S-A-F-E. Unsafe. And number 15, let's write the word unpack. Unpack. U-N-P-A-C-K. Unpack. Now, if I want to add a suffix to this, I want this word to say unpacked. What do we need to add to the end to make it say unpacked? ED. Very good. All right, let's practice coding and reading some words at the bottom. We are flying through this worksheet. Number 16, we look for suffixes, final stable syllables, and prefixes now. So number 16 has prefix UN. We'd put a box around that. And then the root word has digraph AI. The A says the long sound, the I is quiet. Unfair. Unfair. The root word is usually accented. Okay, it's the main part of the word, unfair. Number 17 has a prefix, prefix UN. Put a box around that. In the root word, we have digraph OO. Unhook. Hook. Unhook. Don't forget your accent mark after the root word. Number 18 has a suffix, suffix UN. In digraph IE, the I says the long sound, the E is silent. Don't forget your accent mark. Untie. Untie. Untie, like this picture. Number 19 has prefix UN and also suffix ED. Looky there. The root word is sandwiched right there in the middle. In the root word, we need a K back on the C, and we have digraph OO. So let's start with the root word. Okay, I'm going to cover those up. The root word is cook. Okay, when we add the suffix, this is cooked. When we add the prefix with it, uncooked. It's kind of like a puzzle when we have multiple pieces there. Number 20 has prefix UN. Put a box around that. We need a K back on the C, and we have digraph EA again. E says its name, A is quiet. Unclear. Unclear. All right, we have some challenging words at the bottom. I know you can do it though. All right, number 21 has suffix FUL. Put a box around that. Add your accent mark. Whoops, we forgot our accent mark up here. That's why I like to do it early. Okay, looking at the root word, I don't see any obvious coding. Except for the C is followed by an E. So we'll put a cedilla. Remember, that makes that C say S. So we've got to find the vowel pattern. I see vowel U and vowel E. We've got two consonants. So we're going to divide between the C's. So this C gets a K back, and the U is closed in, it gets a brief. This E is closed in, it gets a brief. So let's try to sound this out. Successful. Successful. Great job. That was hard. Number 22 has suffix EST. Put your box and don't forget your accent mark. In the root word, the A is closed in. We'll put a brief. Sad. Saddest. Saddest. Number 23 has suffix ING. Put a box around that. Go ahead and put your accent mark. We have combination WH, W, and combination ER, but we need to find a vowel pattern. We have vowel I and vowel E, so two consonants in between. The I is closed in and the E is already coded. So when we read this, this says whisper, whispering, whispering. Number 24, the only coding I see is a K back for the C. We're going to have to find the vowel pattern. What vowels do you see? Vowel A, vowel O, two consonants in between. A is closed in, so it gets a brief. O is closed in, it gets a brief. Mascot, mascot, mascot. And number 25 is a compound word. I'm going to go ahead and divide that. For the first word, the I is closed in. It gets a brief. Second word, same thing. O is closed in. Ill, hill, top. Hilltop. Hilltop. Very good. Your homework today is to read a story and answer the questions that go with it. Remember, my challenge to you is when there is a long line on the page, like for number 1, try to write a full sentence for your answer. I know that you can do it. Great job today, first grade.